Okay, Mike here with Pine Ridge Garage again. And, well, as we, in the last video, we had fixed the, changed the sprocket on this little guy. Changed the sprocket, put the chain on, extended the chain, made it all good, and it runs good, but then chain popped off. Discovered that the jack shaft for the drive cog was loose, and what I discovered is these bearings have a set collar, and the set screws are all missing on both sides. So I've took out the suspension, and that's how I discovered that the set screws are missing. So anyways, we're gonna pull it back here into the middle of the shop and get it back up in the air, finish putting it back together, get it running again. So come along and watch. Thanks. My snowmobile lift. It works. There we go. Start with this and just hang it. Yeah, 12 by 14. Yeah. Jeez, that's funny. Yeah. You ordered 2 of them, right? One for me, one for you? What? What? All the work I've done? Oh, jeez. That was about like at least $20,000 worth of work. $500 set of beer bags. Nothing to you. No, that's fine. Just kidding. Someday I wouldn't mind getting a set though, so we'll see how those work.
The kids and check it all over, but they're a great little sled for kids to learn how to get snowmobile and get into the sport. We still take our grandkids with us on our big sleds, and we just spend the time with them out in the beautiful snow. So that's what it's all about. This is Mike at Pine Ridge Garage. See you later, and thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, so I hope you can see this. So we'll go for a ride on it. Got all my riding gear on. Whoop, gotta get gloves. get the gloves. Give her a ride, go for a ride. Got my earmuffs on, get my gloves on. We'll go for a ride. See how she does. Here we go. Take this, see if we can give it a little more throttle, see how she does.